Hi guys, Max Perez from Digital Octopus. Today I want to share with you guys some options that you have for your 6th Gen Camaro. So the first one being the DO1620, which is a replacement unit for the original head unit, which has Android Auto built in, all the gadgets, all the goodies built in. For this installation, of course, it's going to be much harder. You might need to take it to a car audio shop where they could swap it out, because it is a little difficult to run these wires through these tight spaces here. So for this, I recommend you guys get professional installations where you won't have any issues. For you guys like me that just want to get your radio going, you want to get the most out of it, then we will use the AI Go, which is this little gadget right here, which is on special on our website, digitaloctopusradio.com, and I'll show you what that does in just 1 second. Very simple to use. The first thing we're going to do is connect it to the USB, and we are done. If you want to see more about this gadget in full details, there's a link in the description that I'm going to leave, so you guys go ahead and watch that. But now let's go ahead and turn on my car so you can actually see what this system does. All right, so we're going to turn on our car, and the car radio is searching for the Android system connected. Again, this is very easy installation. You don't need to run any wires, you don't need to do anything. You just plug this into your USB and you're gonna get the following screen. So once your radio turns on, as you can see, you're gonna have Apple CarPlay right here. So we're gonna click on that, and now your actual system is actually an Android head unit. You can actually watch YouTube here. How cool is that, right? So we didn't do any changes. Again, no wires, no tricks. This is just plug and play. Now for the best part of this system, that it actually has wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay. So now it's connected to my phone wirelessly. If you guys are familiar with these cars, you know that you need to connect your USB in order to get CarPlay going. With this system, you don't. So I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna skip through the tracks here just so you can see that we could change that. So I'm gonna click on the next track here, and you'll see it'll change on the radio, so you can see that is 100% wireless. There's no wires attached or anything. Again, let's go back to our menu. You still have the same apps that you would have with Apple CarPlay, but this time, of course, it's going to be wirelessly. Now, if we want to go ahead and go to our Camaro home screen, all we have to do is click on the home screen, and we're back on the home screen. Our reverse cameras and all of our cameras still work as normal. You're still gonna have your settings, everything you have from the original factory. If you want to get back into the unit, you just click on CarPlay again, and it'll open up. Now, if you want to take advantage of that menu with the Android Auto menu where it has YouTube and all these apps and downloadable apps, that you could do that as well. What you have to do is just swipe down here. You're gonna see a little button. Click on that button, click on the home screen, and you're back on the home screen. So now I can actually do two things. I could tether my little AI Go device to the internet, which is built into the car if you have a plan, or you could tether it to your phone. So in this way, I can go ahead and actually open up, if I wanted to watch YouTube, I'll just click on YouTube and I'll be able to watch YouTube via my tethered connection. So right now, of course, we don't have internet because we're not connected to anything, but I will connect in a little bit just to show you guys how to do this. So again, you could go back to your home screen, and if you go into the Play Store, it's you're gonna be able to download any app you want. There's millions of apps in the App Store. You can also save files right into this unit here, to this gadget. You could save movies, you could save your MP3 library, whatever you want to save in here, you can just save it, and you could go ahead and reach reach it. You can find it and use it by using the menu, the main menu here. If you try to make a call, it's going to be the same. It will use the microphone from your vehicle. Right now, let's just allow that, and I'm just going to end this call right now. So again, if you want to make a call, it's the same as if you would on your phone. Just dial the number and it will work right through the microphone, the system microphone, so there shouldn't be any issues. If you want to access those files, you just go into ES File Explorer, and all these files are going to show up here, all the files that you have saved, and you can play them right from there. Again, there's also video players and audio players that you can actually grab from the internet, from the Play Store, and you could go ahead and play with those as well too. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect my phone into the system here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna tether our internet to the system over here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swipe down twice, and we're gonna see the Wi-Fi signal there, and we're gonna press and hold, and we're gonna turn it on. Once we turn it on, we should find our internet here, our personal hotspot. I'm just gonna go do a search for it. There it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. So right now it's connected but no internet, so we're just gonna give it a second so it can refresh. Again, we are inside a building, but still it went ahead and connected. So I'm just gonna put the phone up here for the meantime, just so we could have a little better reception. So now that we have our internet connected, we can actually go into YouTube, and that should populate now with videos and whatever content you watch usually on YouTube. And there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the first video here.
Welcome to Shifting Lanes. My name is...
So there it is, our video. It's from just a random YouTube channel that I clicked on. So you can watch any videos again right off of YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. If you guys want to visit his page, you can go ahead and do so. I don't know who he is, but helped out for this video. Here's a music video that is just sitting there, so I'm just gonna click on it, see how that works out. And there it is. We raise the volume up. You can actually change the resolution on the screen. Right now it's default to the lowest because the resolution is because the internet connection is not the best, but you can actually go ahead and bring that up by clicking on the settings for YouTube. And to do that, you just click on the three little buttons here, and you're gonna see where it says quality. And quality, it's on auto right now, so we're just gonna bring it up. So we're gonna bring it to advanced. I'm just gonna bring it up to 480 just so we could get a better image. It might stop just because it's trying to buffer again. And then once it's done buffering, then it will actually play the video in a much better resolution. And there it is. So now it's playing at a much better resolution. I'm gonna zoom in just so you can see. And there it is, playing at 480, which looks great. Not much buffering going on because the internet is, even though it's low, is good enough where it will play the videos here. So I'm gonna go ahead and quit this and go back to our home screen. And to do that, we're going to click here and we're going to click on home screen, and we're back to the main menu. Again, if we wanted to go back to our original head unit for our Camaro, we're just going to click on the home screen here, and we're back in the original Camaro. All right, guys, so this is it for today. So if you guys want to grab this is the AI Go, once again, from Digital Octopus Radio. You can go into our website, digitaloctopusradio.com. You'll find our system there, plus you could find the DO1620 if you're interested in that as well. Again, visit us at digitaloctopusradio.com. Write to us if you have any questions. Again, these cars are on special, and this is a 15-day return policy, but I know you guys are gonna love it and you're not gonna return it because it works wonderful. So you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.